Ready? Oh, she was hot. Well, welcome back, everybody. We're here for the finals today. That's right. This is what you guys have waited for. I have made it to the finals in Schomberg every year I've gone, except for one. But guess what's always never been in my grasp? First place trophy. So, we're getting ready to drive into the ring here. They wanted us to park diagonally in the middle. So, just firing up this wagon. It's not a very good wagon, I'll tell you guys that right now. So we're pulling in. Yep, pulling in. We got water in it. We kind of bent the back end with the hammer a bit, and that's about all we've done. Getting ready for the 10 count right now. 1, here we go. So Schomberg starts off in the daylight and goes to the dark. So right now, I believe there's 8 cars out there with us. So you guys know me. First little bit, I want to just kind of drive around, make sure that everybody's having a good time, make sure that there's, watch out for big door shots or anything like that. Watch out for the guys that are going to go crazy. Hit and spin. That's the secret to this, guys. Driver's side, passenger side to the wall, hit and spin. So, big mistake here. I put passenger side to the center of the track, but can't do it every time. I hear some revving, and I see that Cavalier. 93, don't want to hit that driver door, just get that back quarter panel. Those Cavaliers, guys, they can scream. Little hit with the back there. Don't hit that driver door. Here we come, big hit coming up. Yep. Oh, I put myself in a bad spot. They got passenger side front strut right there. Don't want that, boys and girls. Got to keep the tires on these cars. Already starting to see some heat coming out of the header. Oh, big door shot there from 101. Guys, if you don't think you're going to get door shotted, let's just pause this here. Door shots happen. It's going to happen. I say that every time I get in the ring. I get door shotted. Sometimes I hit people in the doors. Accidents happen, boys and girls. Just be prepared for it. Put padding on your driver's side door. Don't freak out when it happens to you. Accidents happen. A lot of the times, these guys are going so quick, the adrenaline's so high. Even if you get door shotted, sometimes you get hurt, and you don't even know you're hurt because your adrenaline is so high. Cavalier is starting to slow down a bit. You can't hear his engine revving. Driver's side tire shot, look at that. I think I only got his bumper. Just a tap though, nothing too aggressively yet. See this guy coming for me? Don't want him to get driver's side front tire. Give him the front frame rails. Front frame rails can take it better than your tire can. So let's pay him back a bit. Yeah! He hit me. Oh, that was a big hit. Spun me sideways. The car's already getting pretty hot. Being pushed into that wall, guys. You can't let them get that passenger side. They get my passenger side a lot here, though. Boom! Look at that. A good passenger side shot on that Cavalier. The back of that wagon's getting harder and harder to see out of. Big shot, big shot! Oh, that's right. There was a red flag there, and I was being pushed. 2 of us hit this car in the corner pretty aggressively. But, 101 is getting DQ'd right here, unfortunately, because he hit 2 driver doors. They gave him a warning, and he wasn't happy about it. But, guys, if you hit a whole bunch of doors, it's up to the promoters if they want to DQ you or not, and they chose to DQ this guy. But, angry yelling, not at me, so I was pretty happy. I don't want to turn my car off unless you know it's going to be a really long time. Guys, do not turn your car off. If you turn it off, sometimes it will not fire inside these red flags. Still, more angry yelling. I'm giving thumbs up. I'm telling Eddie to stop. Still have that bandage on my wrist inside this derby. Guys, don't hurt yourself. a really long red flag. I should have edited out this. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So let's get off of this corner. I didn't know what's happened. I didn't know they're DQing him. I just heard angry yelling. I heard about him getting DQ'd afterwards. That Hyundai Accent, man, that thing is laying down some hits. Some cars in the background there. Guys, these guys are getting my passenger side. I'm starting to get a little slow. That Hyundai Accent, though, is giving me some good hits. I have to start killing that Hyundai Accent, guys. It's tagging me hard. Sorry about the squinted eyes. It's just very dark out. That one there, I believe, is a Avenger. Very tough cars in the back end, guys. Do not mess with the back of any Dodges. Oh, that Accent is just eating the front of me alive. Here we go. You hit me, I'll get you back. No door shots, guys. Just get the tires. Do not hit doors on purpose. Avoid them at all costs. Even if you're allowed to hit doors at some of these shows in the US, I don't like that. That Hyundai Accent is putting up one heck of a fight in here. Just trying to get my position, trying to let some of these other cars get hot and die, trying to pick and choose who I'm hitting. Nice shot right there, passenger rear door at the back of my car. Oh, look at 173 getting smoked by him and then smoked by me. That's a double whammy. Hit and pass. You drive through them, you hit them and drive through them. Passenger side to the wall. Oh, just got pushed into that wall there. That wall at Schomberg is unforgiving, boys and girls. Just taking my time. I don't want to dig a hole. I just want these guys to back out. My first time. Oh, big shot right there. You guys see that? Come out, give her some fuel, get some tires. Play possum again. If you guys don't know what possums are, they're glorified trash pandas that like to take naps every time you try to catch them. They play dead. It's an amazing technique for survival. Come in, big shot there against the wall. The wall in Schomberg does not forgive, guys. There's a big shot. Motor to motors. Come out. Keep your eye on the wheel. Make sure nobody's coming to get you. Come across the track. Let's hit this guy. Hit so you can drive right through him. Do not make it so you have to back up because you lose time and it puts you in a very vulnerable spot, especially because I can't see out the back of the car no more. Rear driver side strut I got on 173. 173 is going to be coming for me now, guys. Big shot here. Oh, that was against that Dodge. That car was tough. The stock car, those Dodges are fantastic. Weak steering, but tough cars. I've never derbied one, but I've been in the ring a couple times with them. Very tough cars to find a weak spot on. 173 pushing me against the wall here. Sometimes when they're pushing, just put your car in neutral, put your foot on the brakes, let them get their transmission hot, and then let them put space between you. Put your foot on the brakes, let them push you back a bit. My foot's on the brakes here, I'm in neutral, letting this guy get his transmission nice and hot, thinking he's slowly pushing me so that way he keeps wanting to push. Transmissions can only take so much heat, boys and girls. Out of that corner now. Got that tire of the Dodge. I can't even see out the back of my car. We got the Dodge again. Can't even see out the back of that wagon anymore, boys and girls. It's getting pretty messed up. 173 hit the Dodge, gave me a perfect passenger side strut. Got the back corner. Back passenger side corner. Got it. Tagged him over. Still have passenger side. Let's eat him alive, boys and girls. Got him again. Right in the strut that time. Never give passenger side. As soon as you give passenger side, you get free reign of just getting plowed. Can't even see out of the back of the car anymore. 173, passenger side right in front of me again. Here we go. Got the back corner again. Accidentally hit that driver door there, guys. I was already on the brakes. I made my hit. It's acceptable, but I still just tapped him. Try not to do that. Truck alarm going off over there. Here we come. Got him. The back corner again. Oh, see the big fireball there? My motor's not very happy. It's getting very hot. This is a 2001 motor with a 97 harness on it, so it's kind of already a hybrid. Oh, see the flames there? Here we go again. Get that passenger side. Push them. Now, ready? Here comes the biggest fireball I've seen out of a Camry of one of mine yet. Boom. Ready? Oh, she was hot. 173 breaks his stick off. But watch this. He gets out, gets the crowd all riled. You guys gotta love him getting the crowd all riled. But this is my first time ever winning Schomberg, guys. I'm ecstatic. Look at him jumping on his roof. That's what you gotta do. We do this for the fans. He's up there getting the fans all riled right up. Coming over to shake my hand. Thank you everybody for watching. We'll be back here tomorrow with another video from Schomberg. So thanks everybody for watching. Remember, if you want merch, contact me through Facebook. I have t-shirts that I have for sale. If you guys really like this commentary, leave a comment. I'll keep doing it. And maybe sometimes when I put these GoPros in other people's cars, like Eddie's or Josh's or Roy's or Jesse's or Steven's, any of them, Chris, if I put a GoPro in your car and we have time to watch it, maybe I'll film you guys' replies and you guys can see how well it goes. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop. Ready? Oh, she was hot.